What's up, Rockstars? Welcome to today's episode 2 of Right Now at Rockstar Garage. Right now at Rockstar Garage, we are going to be talking about dialing in your suspension setup. So as you've seen on our YouTube channel this past week, we've been posting a lot of videos on wheel and tire fitments, specifically what fits, what doesn't fit, and now we're going to continue that conversation on how to dial in that setup with none other than our very own James. He's got an awesome black S2000. He's got some Buddy Club lower ball joints that is installed. So we're going to take a deeper look and see why and how and what and where he put them.
What's up, Rockstars?
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
We got James's awesome AP205 S2K. As you can see, he's got a ton of aftermarket parts on it, everywhere from Spoon to J's to ASM to all kinds of stuff. The aftermarket parts, obviously, as you can see, don't just stop at the aesthetics. He's got some motor work, bolt-ons, suspension work, and as you can see, down to these TC105Xs and beautiful Falcon 615K plus tires. They are a 17x9 35 offset spec, a little bit wider to accommodate the wide flares that he has. But as we've been talking about on our YouTube channel about what fits and what doesn't fit on the S2000, we are going to be now dialing in that setup and talking about some Buddy Club ball joints.
Nothing like talking about Buddy Club ball joints with your buddies. Take it away, Bajan.
Rockstars, as you can see from this angle, hashtag POV, we are talking about Buddy Club ball joints. In layman's terms, ball joints are used to dial in your suspension settings, your alignment settings, most specifically camber adjustment. With the Buddy Club ball joints, they usually allow you to get to anywhere from 3 to 3.5 degrees maxed out, depending on how low, what arms you have, that thing. Now, with the stock lowered S2000, depending on your application, every car is a little bit different. You can probably max out anywhere from 2.5 to 2.7 degrees of negative camber. With the Buddy Club ball joints, that can be maxed out up to 3.5 degrees of negative camber. Again, every car is a little bit different. 1/10 of a degree, it's going to vary. So we've talked about the Buddy Club ball joints. We've talked about what they are, brief specification synopsis. We're going to turn it over to James. He's going to tell you a little bit about his setup, why he did what he did. Let's take it away, James.
Okay, so the exact reason of why I did the Buddy Club ball joint, well, in the front at least, is because of my wide body that I have on here. So as you can tell, this isn't a normal setup. So usually when you go wide body, there's a couple things that you need to consider, and that is tire size, that's rim size, your offset. The offset's a very big factor, and the thing that really helped me dial it in perfectly to what I wanted it to be at was the Buddy Club ball joints. And not just those, you could do J's ball joints as well, but they give you enough camber so you could clear. So say you're taking a turn, you go into driveway, your wheel is going to tuck up at an angle typically, so it will tuck right in and it won't even damage the fender liner. As you can see, I've been driving for a year and there's like no cracks on here, and I abuse it. Not on the track, but on the street. But yeah, that's my reason behind getting these ball joints, just because you could get a lot more negative camber angle on it. And yeah.
We have been doing a lot of wheel and tire fitment videos lately on our YouTube channel. If you haven't, check that out. I'll leave a description below. You can click the link, follow up, swipe left, right, whatever your phone has you do. We've talked about the Buddy Club ball joints today, how they dial in your suspension, how they dial in your alignment settings. If you have any questions on anything you've seen on today's video, please drop a comment, DM us, reach out to us, stop by and say hi. As far as the Buddy Club lower ball joints go, we know there's a ton of aftermarket options in regards to different options you can get for your S2000. Personally, at Rockstar Garage, we run the Buddy Club ball joints on all our race cars. Rockstar Garage stands by Buddy Club ball joints. 2 thumbs up for us. As always, Rockstars, like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Rockstar Garage.